Okay, friends, we went from one extreme to the next. We went from sleeping in the cave to sleeping in these, how do I do it, funny little houses. Oh, number 25, babe.
Keep
Right
going.
there. Keep going. So let's do a room tour. This one's gonna be fun.
Turn on the lights. Oh, yeah.
You fell down?
Yeah, she didn't know that was
Daddy in the kitchen. Daddy, do you fit?
Yeah.
Peekaboo. And then there's a door behind that's shorter than you, Papa.
I don't know.
Well, you could be a window and you can be a door.
Hi friends, if you're new to our channel, we are the 5-star family and we're on an adventure of a lifetime. We're traveling all over Europe with kids, discovering magical places like Alberobello. If you want to really experience this town to the fullest, you must stay the night in a trullo. Our hotel here is called Trulli. Please understand these homes are tiny and not luxurious, but they have so much soul. It makes you want to dance like this guy. What is a trullo anyways? A trullo is a traditional dry stone hut with a conical roof. There are many theories behind the origin of the design. One of the more popular theories is that due to high taxation on property, the people of Puglia or Puglia could dismantle them quickly when the tax inspectors were in the area.
What happened, Daddy? You don't fit in the kitchen. It woke you up, right? Breakfast is here.
As always, we found a hotel with breakfast included because that's just easier with kids. Trulli gives you an option for breakfast to either deliver or go eat at the restaurant down the street.
Coffees.
The croissant again with chocolate.
Croissant with chocolate, some mozzarella cheese, some meat. Mayush, are you hungry, baby? A very typical Italian breakfast. These are actually pretty good, these almond ones. I tried them yesterday.
Do you want croissant?
Chocolate? Is the onion
This is croissant. This is chocolate, baby. Look, 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 look. Look, chocolate.
chocolate?
Yeah.
Chocolate?
Uh-huh.
Chocolate?
That?
Chocolate?
Uh-huh.
Chocolate?
That.
I want to make half on mine.
Morning. It's an early morning for us. We are pretty much alone. Maya! I'm not sure what time tourists wake up here, but we wake up early and we are going to explore Rione Monti, which is, wait, is that the name? Which is the more touristy part of Alberobello, with cute little houses like that, souvenir shops, and I hear there's a rooftop somewhere there where we can get a better view of this cute little place. which is a less touristy place with much older trulli that haven't been like upgraded, updated, fixed up and stuff like that. You found some? That door is as tall as you. Sophie, can you reach it? Wow!
She can reach it, only me can reach it.
Does it blow anyone's minds that people live here or just me?
Everyone.
What's for dessert, you guys?
Ice cream.
It's a gelato.
Whose is better?
Come on.
Try. Let me try.
It may not look like it, but this was a lot of walking up and down hills. Luckily, you can totally bring a stroller as opposed to Matera from the previous video. On the way back to the hotel, we saw a bunch of confetti, so Emilia had this great idea to just follow the confetti until we caught up with the carnival. And the rest is history. I mean, confetti.
There's a bell in that, guys. Whoa! She got herself.
What do you guys think of Alberobello? Have you been or are you planning on going? Leave us a comment below and let us know. Also, don't forget to support by liking and
We're going
subscribing.
back home and we will see you on the next video. Bye!